Good morning, class. Today I will continue chapter 2, Understanding Secularism. In this chapter I am already explained meaning of secularism. It means Indian constitution allow every citizen practice, propagate, adopt any religion by any person. Then I will explain why necessary separate religion to state. Clear? To proper functioning of democracy, it is compulsory separate religion to state. Now, I will continue this chapter. Today, my first point is what is Indian secularism? Children, now I'm explaining major features of Indian secularism. The Indian constitution mandates that the Indian state be secular state. Indian constitution mandates adopt this policy, India become a secular state. It means Indian state never adopt any religion as a official religion. Make a proper distance with every religion. One religious community does not dominate another in a secular state. We live in a secular state, and that means one religious people never dominate another religious communities or persons. In a secular state, some members do not dominate other members of the same religious community. We live in a secular state, and in a secular state, some people of same community never discriminated, exploited, or oppressed their community member. For example, Hindu community people never exploit their Hindu community people, same as it is in Muslim communities. Hope you understand. The state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individuals. A secular state never exists any person or individual freedom. Okay? The government schools cannot promote any one religion. Children, please understand. We live in a secular state. That is why government schools, colleges, building never promote any particular religion. In order to respect the sentiments of all religious person and not interfere with the religious practices, the state makes certain expectations from particular religious communities. We live in a secular state. That is why constitution or your representative never interfere religious practices of any community. Clear? For example, Sikhs wear pagdi turban as a religious practice, hence they need not to wear helmet while riding two-wheeler. Children, now explain this point. Please listen to me, be carefully. Secular state never interfere in religious practices, but if any religious belief is necessary, then state never interfere. For example, for Sikh people, pagdi is compulsory on their heads. That is why constitution never suppress them to wear helmet. Okay. The Indian secularism works to prevent the domination of majority religion over minority. What is the meaning of this point? Indian secularism prevent or protect two minorities from majority religion. Clear? Indian constitution bans untouchability. Children, you know what do you mean by untouchability? It's a major discriminating policy made by upper caste Hindus and exploited and discriminated lower caste Hindus That is why this religious practice banned by constitution. Clear? Now I'm explain USA versus Indian secularism. USA is a secular country. India also a secular country. But what is the difference between USA and Indian secularism? In the USA, separation between the state and the religion means neither the state nor religion can interfere in the affair of each other. Children, please understand. USA is a secular country and USA never interfere religious policies of their community people. And religion also not interfere USA government. Clear? The Indian state is secular and works in various ways to prevent religious domination. Children, please understand India is a secular state and whenever necessary, if any religious policy dominated and exploited their community people, then Indian constitution interfere and protect that particular religious community people. Unlike USA, in India, the state can interfere in religion on the idol laid down in the constitution. Hope you understand. I'm already explained. USA never interfere in religious policies, but in India, on the other hand, whenever necessary, if any religious policy against constitution and exploit their community people, then constitution interfere and protect religious people. For example, untouchability is banned by the law or constitution. Untouchability practiced by upper caste Hindu and exploited lower caste Hindu. That is why constitution interfere and ban this policy. Clear? Now this chapter is complete.